Good day, traders. Welcome to our weekly Forex analysis for the week of March the 16th to March the 20th. We've had quite some wonderful moves in the market this week. And based on our analysis for last week, we had said we were expecting some bit of pullbacks and upward bullish movement to the next level of resistance. But the news about the virus, with the news about the virus, so most currency pairs open with a gap, either upwards or downwards, and we had to take a new stance based on the price action on Monday last week. And for those who are subscribed to my signal service, we looked at daily price action and we were able to take advantage of the moves we saw. Quite wonderful moves. We saw almost 2,000 pips, 2,000 pips sell-off on gold. We saw quite some great moves with other currency pairs that we look at on a daily basis. You can look at the previous videos to check how our analysis have gone so far. As we start, I want you to also know that this is not a signal service per se. It's just for educational purposes. Forex is a risky business and you need good financial advice to put your money out there in the market. And for those who are new here, I'd like you to click the subscribe button and click the bell notification beside it so you'll be notified when I put up new videos in the market, on YouTube. Sorry about that. You can leave a like button. Yeah, click the like button and leave us a comment if this videos I put out has been beneficial to you. It will help me, at least spur me on to do such videos as we go on in the future. And with that being said, let's just look at what the market holds for us this week. Basically, I'm looking at the GBP USD pair. That's what's on my chart right now. I'm looking at the daily time frame. And with what we've seen so far, we've seen quite a huge sell-off in the pound. Most of the pound pairs, we saw a huge sell-off, and we're looking at the GBP USD, the pound dollar. And what do we do when the market opens on Monday? First of all, I'll just draw this Fibonacci. We've had a great move up this way, and we can see that price somewhat stalled at the 0.236 level, just closed a little bit below it. So what do we do? I'm expecting price to retest this broken support that will be turned into a resistance at 1.2506. That's where I look forward to price getting to first of all. We have one here at 1.2390, but I expect price to go way up to 1.2506 before we go lower. So basically, let's look at the 4 hours, zooming in to get a clearer picture of what we're looking at. So we could look at price getting to 1.2390 first of all, because our close here we had 1.2277. So if we look for reversal candles on lower time frames and head higher, our first spot of resistance will be at 1.2390. If we close above this, we were looking forward to getting to 1.2506. We could still go higher, but I believe prices would most likely stall there and maybe give us a double bottom before heading higher. So basically, let's keep our eyes on the 1.2390 level. That's for our retracement, a bit of correction into this zone. We could close above this and get to 1.2508. So what we look at in the market when it opens will be that retracement. We're already having smaller candles as we zoom in, and the same for the 1 hour. We have something that looks like a double bottom, and we'll be looking to get up to 1.2390 and away up to 1.25 handle area before we go lower. The next I'll be looking at is the pound Canadian dollar. Oops, sorry about that. Pound Canadian dollar. And here, let's look at the daily time frame. Here, what we're looking at quite huge sell-off, like I said. So I'm looking forward to prices coming into this zone at the 1.71 handle area. That's 1.7108. So we're looking forward to seeing retracement into that zone, 1.7100 area. So we could just zoom in and take a good look at it. What we have here, we still have our candles are looking really bearish. So if we get any reversal candles when markets open, we'll now be able to trade that successfully upwards. But basically, I'm expecting a retracement into this zone, the 1.7100 area, before we continue lower, before we go any lower with the prices. Now let's look at gold. Gold, we've seen quite a huge sell-off of gold. Right now, I'm looking at the daily time frame, and I'm expecting gold to also do the retracement upwards also. First of all, we have broken support to our return to resistance at 1552. And if we close above that area, we're looking forward to hitting 1574 area. So for this pair, I'm looking forward to a retracement within the 1552 to the 1574 area, and we're going low. Our next level of support is at 1482. So when you enter, basically when the markets open, already we have somewhat like a harami, which is giving us a heads up for a retracement. And so I will just trade the retracement into the 1552 area. If we don't have any reversals around here, we'll be looking forward to prices get to the 1570, 1574 area before we continue selling. So basically that's what we'll be looking at. As markets open, we'll trade the retracement and begin to sell from this zone. Our next port of call, which is our next port of support, is at the 1482 area. The next I'm looking at is Euro USD. We have same moves for the Euro dollar pair, but we've seen something like a close above two recent lower highs, indicating prices could still go higher. Although our momentum indicator, stochastic here, is telling us we should sell, but based on what we have here, we have something that looks like a double bottom here. So I'm looking for the price to retesting the highs, going towards the high again at the highs at 1.1435 area. So we'll be looking to seeing price getting to this region. If we have a close above our most recent high at 1495, the high is at 1495 area. Once we get a close above this, we'll be looking forward to go much higher. So for now, I'm looking forward to seeing a retest of the highs. Already we have a double bottom formed here. We could place a 20 pips buy stop above this candle. The high here is at the high is at 1.1117. So we can place our buy stop at 1.1137 or 1.1140 and aim for the highs, the most recent high, the 1.1475. That's where the highs are. So just put your buy stop there and we'll head higher. The next I'll be looking at is USD Canadian dollar. And for this pair, we had quite a bullish run. On the weekly, we saw the prices open with a gap up and we have tested the highs at 1.3971 and prices we are rejected around that area. So we might have a retest of it and see price coming down. What we have here now, we have something like a piercing. You have a piercing, a dark cloud cover, not a piercing, sorry. A dark cloud cover candle indicating reversal. So I expect price to retest to come up to 1.3920 area, giving us like a double top, and we'll begin to sell from there. And our sell, we'll be looking forward to getting to, from that point, I think we'll be looking forward to getting to 1.3650 area. That's where we'll be looking forward to get to. I expect a retracement upwards and we'll begin to sell. Yeah, sell. Sorry about that, sell to 1.3650 area. The last I'll be looking at this week is the USD JPY, the dollar yen pair. Now let's look at it from the daily time frame. I already have my fibs here, so I'm expecting price to retest the broken resistance that will turn to support, and that will be at 106.20 area. So we can sell to that area and do a buy up from that area a bit up to. So basically I'm looking at price is reverse upwards from 106.25 area. Yeah, that at least will give room for spread. So you can sell from this point down here and give room for spread, and we're going higher to retest the 109.45 area here. 109.45. So I expect a retracement down to this point and a reversal upwards to 109.45 area. So that will be that for this week. I would say we all stay safe with the virus at hand. Use good hygiene and trade safely and stay profitable. That'll be that for now. See you in the next video.